If I was a director of film school, I would basically mandate personal branding course and business courses for filmmakers, because in today's economy, how can you even be a filmmaker or a creator without a following, an audience, or something that makes you stand out? I would go out and I would spend 4 or 5 grand every month on Google ads and Facebook ads. And yeah, I would have clients, but you shut down the ads and you see how many leads and clients you get. And the name of the game today is trying to be out there on camera, not really shy about what you're doing. You want to explain people what you do, not really saying like, hey, I'm the best at what I'm doing. No, it's like, this is how I do this particular thing. This is what makes me different, or my work different, my style different. And this is maybe why your brand would want to work with me. By putting yourself out there, you will get a lot of work. It's like mind-boggling to me, for so many years I neglected that part. I disregarded it. And I was like really a shoemaker without shoes. I was filmmaker without any work that would show me. I would just shoot stuff, give it away to the client, and I had nothing to show except for portfolio. But in all honesty, who wants to watch somebody else's commercials? That's right. So once I had a moment of realization, I decided to really start putting myself out there and, just give value. So if I can teach someone to do things the way I do it, or if it will save somebody time, if it will save somebody money or headache, yes, then I fulfilled my mission, and it brings a lot of joy to me. So I wish I just started doing it a lot earlier. One thing about today's economy for sure is that any company is now basically a media company. So if you don't put out short form content, if you don't put out any content at all, you're basically in the cold. That's it. If you don't run ads and you don't make content, then there's basically nothing, and no one can reach you, no one knows about you. That's not a business. And especially for us to be filmmakers, man, we should be the first ones to create the best content for ourselves, because we love ourselves, right? I mean, who doesn't love themselves? I know I love myself, and that's why I'm so mad at myself that I haven't created content about what I'm doing. So yeah, as a media creator, as a filmmaker, dude, create awesome content and let's roll.